Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes rose, with the Nasdaq and the S&P reversing early losses, while the Dow and small cap stocks outperformed as stronger than expected GDP data provided some relief after the previous session's tech mauling. Donors to Donald Trump's campaign to be re-elected as United States President have contributed roughly $3 million in cryptocurrency since the candidate announced he would accept digital assets. The most significant contributions came from Gemini co-founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. The Japanese yen rallied for a fourth straight session against the dollar, hitting a 2.5-month high as investors unwound their long-running bets against the currency ahead of a Bank of Japan meeting next week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Spain's retail sales will be released at 7 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 5 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. The French consumer confidence at 6:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.